a look at another example here, graphing in standard form. All right, so the y-intercept first, that one's always easy. It's just this last term, so that'd be 4. And now for the vertex. Okay, so we got to find our x and our y. The x is going to be our negative b, over 2a. And let's see here, our a term is negative 3, and our b term is 6. So negative b is going to be negative 6 over 2 times a. So 2 times negative 3, well, that's negative 6 again. And so that just gives us 1. All right, and then to find out our y value, we're just going to take that x value and plug it back in. All right, so this is going to be negative 3 times 1 squared plus 6 times 1 plus 4. So all these ones, they don't do anything. So we just have negative 3 plus 6, which is 3, plus 4, which gives us 7. All right. We got our axis of symmetry. That's going to be x equals 1. And then our range, okay, this one is opening down. All right, so this one opens down, and so it has a maximum of 7. So the range is going to be negative infinity up to 7, or you could say it's less than or equal to 7. Okay? And for the rest, we better graph it. All right, we have a y-intercept of 4. All right, that can work for 4. And a vertex of 1, 7. So that would be about 1. And then 7 is going to be up here somewhere. That'll work. Okay, and we know it's opening down. That's good. See, we can go ahead and reflect that point across. All right, so now the next thing I need to do is pick an x value to plug in that is close to my x coordinate of my vertex. Now I've already got 0, which means I already have 2 right here. So I can do negative 1, plug that in, or I could plug in, 3. I could plug in 3 as well. Because I've already got 2 right here, so I could plug in 3 as well if I wanted to get another point. All right, so let's do 3. I'm just going to plug it in. I think this is actually going to be too big. Yeah, this will be too big to even graph, I'll bet. So we're going to plug in 3 for x up here. That'll be negative 3 parentheses 3 squared plus 6 times 3 plus 4. No, it's not too big. It's not bad at all. Negative 5. Okay, so at 3, it's going to have a y value of negative 5, so somewhere in here. The reflection is going to be somewhere in there. It's pretty good. Yeah, I like that. We can draw our parabola from that. Good. All right, I think that's enough information there.